There was research done in the States about the difference between good salespeople and exceptionally good salespeople. And what they found the good salespeople did was they found a prospect, they qualified them, they'd go in, they'd open the talk with some small talk, then they'd ask questions until they established a need. And when they found a need, they would then introduce their product and they'd show the benefits of their product and then they'd ask for the order. And that worked most of the time. Then they looked at the really exceptional salespeople, the top 1%, the really high performers, and they said, what do these people do that's different? And they found a prospect, and they did some qualifying, and they asked some questions, and they uncovered a need. And then they did something different. They didn't introduce their product. They kept asking about the need. They kept asking questions. And the more questions they asked, the more they built the problem, the size of the problem. And the bigger the size of the problem, the more valuable your solution is. So let's say I'm trying to sell a sprinkler system in your warehouse, Gerard, and I establish the fact that you don't have proper cover, you don't have any sprinkler system at the moment. So I could launch straight in and tell you about the features of my sprinkler system and the gallons per hour that it pumps out and all this sort of stuff. But what I should do is I should carry on and I should ask questions. What would happen if you had a fire? How serious would it be? What would the consequences be for the company? What would it do to your reputation if you couldn't supply your customers for a month? What would it do to you professionally in your career if you were the man responsible and there was a fire in there? Just a minute. And you build the size. You build the need. You keep asking questions. And the person who's asking the questions is the person who's in control of the conversation. And that should be you. So you must ask very, very detailed questions.